Okay, I'm gonna test out 360 camera on my FPV. See if this works. So, it worked. What can I say? What did I learn? First off, the main thing I learned is that I need a longer stick here, a longer like adapter. Or I might next time fly it like this. I don't know, it's gonna be pretty top heavy, but yeah, it wasn't high enough, and as you probably saw in the footage, it didn't stitch the drone together well, so that was a little bit annoying. Besides that, I also learned that yes, the Protek 35 can carry the GoPro Max with an arm as well, and its battery, so it was carrying quite a lot of weight. Was it hard to fly? I definitely thought it was just gonna flip over when I start. Like, I'm new to FPV, I don't know how far you can push these things. I thought it was just gonna like flip over and not work at all, but it went up fine. Actually, it was way more stable than I thought it was gonna be. But when I was flying, it did feel a little bit of wobble. And I do feel like if I had done some crazy like roll or something like that, I don't know what would have happened. I feel like it would have just crashed. I will probably try it out later if I can find like a grassy field somewhere. But yeah, this was the first test. I imagine like on the stronger racing drones, maybe you can do more. Yeah, so that's it. The Protek 35 can do it. I might get a longer adapter here so that I can actually see the drone better. But otherwise, felt very successful to me.